Alright guys, so the video you're about to watch right now will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a verified GPay account. So if by the end of this video you find it useful, you may want to comment, like, and also share this video to your colleagues. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's dive right in. How to create a verified GPay account. Go to gpay.africa, then click on create an account. So if you're a freelancer, of course you want to click on I'm a freelancer. Select your country, be it Nigeria, Ghana, whichever country you are. For me it's Nigeria, so just click on continue. When that is done, you want to enter your email address. Then with a referral code, the referral code I will show it on the screen, so you just clicking on my referral code. When that is done, you click on continue. Then an OTP will be sent to your email. Log into your email, paste in your OTP. I just did that for mine, and then I'm about creating a password, a very strong password that will contain numbers, alphabet in capital letter and small letter with a character. So when that is done, click on continue. You see there, my account has been successfully created. So you will be brought to this dashboard where you'll be asked to fill in this information, your personal information, employment, and all of that. So I'll just go further to tick in these boxes. Here he's asking me what would I like to use GPay for. Eventually I'm using GPay for everything that is listed here, so I'll just go ahead and tick all of them. Then I'll click on continue, and then it will take me to the next stage, which is to fill in my profile information. Of course you want to fill in your correct profile information as it is on your document. Okay, your first name should be your first name, your surname should be in your surname colon. All right, fill it as it is in your document so that your account will be verified, because this GPay account we are creating, it will be verified. Now you want to enter your correct birth date. Just as it is with your document. Okay, of course now you search for your nationality. If you're a Ghanaian, you want to put in Ghana. If you're in Nigeria, Nigerian, and then you want to put in your correct phone number. This phone number, an OTP will be sent to you. All right, so you want to put in a phone number that you will receive an OTP as soon as possible. Okay, so when that is done, click on verify. Now an OTP has been sent to me. I'll just copy and paste the OTP here. Good. Now my phone number is verified, so I'll go ahead with my time zone. Though time zone is optional, but then I will still go with it. Let me go with GMT plus 12. Then my street name, Freedom Estate. Of course, country of resident, Nigeria. Which yours is Ghana. You can as well go with Ghana. Then I'm in Rivers State currently. I'm in Port Harcourt. So you want to fill in your city as well, your postal code for your city. So you want to enter your proof of address now, your documents for proof of address. I'll enter mine. Okay, I just did that now, and then you click on continue, then click on save. Now cross check your information if everything is right. Okay, mine is correct, so I'll click on save now. Okay, you see personal information completed. Now I'll go to the next one, which says employer's information. So I want to choose my employer information. I'm a freelancer, okay, and I work on Upwork, so my employer's name should be Upwork. Okay, if you work on Fiverr, your employer's name should be Fiverr. But if you work on, let me say, you have remote jobs on Facebook and the rest, your employer's name should be like freelancer. All right, so I'll be going with Upwork right now, and then go ahead and fill in the information, my job information, of course. I think here I'll go with freelancing or social media marketing. Which one will I go for here? Yeah, I'll go with freelancing. And then I'll choose my monthly salary as $10,000. Okay, so you want to go ahead and fill in your Upwork certificate of earning. For your Upwork certificate of earning, go to your Upwork and download it. Your Upwork dashboard and download it. So I'll copy and paste my Upwork profile link here. Click on save. I'll just wait for this thing to load up. Good. You see, employer's details has been completed. So we want to go in and fill in our account information. Of course, you want to put in your Nigeria account information. Select your Nigeria account. Mine is GT. There's Guaranteed Trust Bank. I'll go with that. And then I'll type in my account number. Of course, you want to type in your own account number and ensure that it tallies with your name, the name in your document you used. So you want to go in and fill in your BVN as well. I'll do mine right here. Your BVN should be the one you use in opening that same bank account you filled in at the above um space there. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So you want to click on save. If you are following the same steps that I use, you should get the exact same result that I'm getting. All right, everything is so user friendly and easy. So I will wait for that to load to take us to the next phase. If you are getting value from this content, do well to like, comment and share. Good. Now our account has been added successfully, so I just want to refresh this. You see now, completed. So what I do next is to verify my identity. Of course, I want to click on start identity verification. So of course I'm using international passport. Which one are you using? Is it national identity? You can go with that. Me, I have my international passport with me, so I'm going with my international passport. Okay, let's go. So I just scanned my document right now. My international passport and my face ID. Okay, so the thing is waiting for verification. Thank you. Continue. That means my verification was successful. Okay, now awaiting confirmation. My account is awaiting confirmation. I think after 6 to 12 hours, my account is now verified. See that red circle there? My account is now verified within 6 hours or so, less than 6 hours. So when I checked my email, I saw this email here that, hey Shanomi, this is to inform you that your GPay account has been created. So I just went back to my dashboard. I refreshed it, and then it brought me to this. So this is basically how you can create a verified GPay account. All right, so you want to go ahead and click on any of these three currencies here to generate a USD account or a foreign account that you can use to receive your payment as a freelancer. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you find it helpful, you want to go ahead to like. If you have a question you want to ask in the comment section, thank you very much. See you in my next video.